NSW Premier Dominic Perrottet brings forward easing of COVID restrictions. The easing of COVID restrictions in NSW has been brought forward, Premier Dominic Perrottet announced on Thursday afternoon. A wave of restrictions were brought in for NSW earlier in the year following a rise in Omicron cases and hospitalisations. In the video above, Dominic Perrottet announces the easing of COVID restrictions, but Mr Perrottet said that due to promising signs in our hospitals across the state, they are able to bring forward the easing of some of these restrictions. As of February 18, the 2 square metre rule for venues will be scrapped. QR check-in codes will be required only for nightclubs or festivals of more than 1,000 people. Hospitals, aged and disability care facilities may still use their existing check-in systems. Singing and dancing will also be permitted at all venues except music festivals. Working from home recommendations have also been changed, with the state now leaving the decision up to each employer's discretion. A number of other changes will also come into play next Friday, February 25, including mask requirements applying only to public transport, airports, hospitals, correctional facilities, aged and disability care facilities and indoor music festivals with more than 1,000 people. The 20,000 people cap on festivals will also be removed on this date, with singing and dancing permitted. The final change is to hotel quarantine requirements, which will be reduced from 14 days to 7 days for the unvaccinated. In his announcement on Thursday, Mr Perrottet thanked the people of NSW for their sacrifices over the past 2 years and said we were now in a very strong position. The efforts everyone has made has ensured that NSW is in a very strong position going forward, Mr Perrottet said. This is what living with the virus looks like, and we wouldn't be here without all the efforts and sacrifices we have all made over the last 2 years. It comes as NSW recorded 95 new COVID-19 cases and 14 more deaths on Thursday. There are 468 fewer cases of the virus than reported on Wednesday and 13 fewer deaths. NSW Health reports 1,447 COVID patients are in hospital, a drop of 31, and 92 people are in intensive care. Nearly half the state, 49.7% of people, have received a booster shot of a COVID-19 vaccine.